already have D360 bank account but you don't have ATM card yet, in this video I will show you step by step how to issue and request your physical card less than 2 minutes, and let's go. Firstly, open your D360 bank account. Once you open it, you have to click on issue debit card. Click on it, and now you will receive a confirmation code, OTP, and once you receive it, start tapping it. Now you will receive a call from a bank. Answer it to confirm your digital card activation. Once you confirm, they will automatically take you to the next step. Now click on done. Tap on done. Scroll down and click on your card. Now let's request our physical card. Tap on request physical card and click on get physical card. Now you will receive a confirmation code, OTP. Once you receive it, start tapping it. Now your physical card is issued successfully. Your card will deliver to you very soon. So if your card arrives, just tap on activate now to activate your ATM card. So it's easy, right? Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.